Hey friends, it's Emily Ruff here, and I've been receiving a lot of wonderful questions about my upcoming moon medicine course, and I thought that I would share some of those here in case other folks might have similar questions. And first of all, can I just say I'm so excited to know how many of you are as passionate and interested in attuning and aligning with the lunar cycles as I am. It's been so fun to know how many folks are interested in this topic, one that is so personal and dear to my heart. For me, this concept of moon medicine or lunar living or aligning my routine and my work and my health and my personal activities with the moon's orbit through the sky has truly been a transformative practice. It's created huge shifts in my life, brought me a sense of harmony and ease in work and relationships. It's fueled creativity and consciousness, and it's really attuned me with the magic and the mystery that is our existence on this planet. And so I'm really grateful to be able to share this as a year-long course, and I wanted to answer a couple questions about how the course works.
Moon medicine begins on Summer Solstice, June 20th, 2021. And it's a year-long course of study.
It will be chock full of intellectual nourishment as I'll present comprehensive lessons on astronomy, astrology, and their intersection and influence on our physical health, emotional wellness, cultivating and harvesting plants in our garden, making medicine, our creativity, our relationships, and so much more. As the daughter of an astronomy professor, of course, I'll be bringing you rich lessons steeped in the teachings of modern science, but I'll be balancing those lessons by exploring the historical spiritual traditions of many of the major world religions and their relationship to the cosmos. This is definitely intended to be a class that bridges folk traditions and history with observable physical phenomena that we can experience here on planet Earth. Now, of course, this is a class that is going to share deep knowledge about the vast cosmos, but it's really intended to root each of us in a personal practice. So exercises and journal prompts will be accompanying each lesson on the new and full moon to help you ground in your day-to-day experience with and relationship to the celestial energies that influence all life on this planet. Now it's up to you. You can dive headlong into the material and geek out with me full steam ahead, or you can follow along as the moon shifts through the sky with your planner and with your journal on the days of the new moon and the full moon and special cosmic events. This is intended to provide you a personal experience, and so it's your unique journey. I have built a lot of flexibility into this experience so that you can fit this course into your schedule and into your life in the way that works best for you. So let's get to the details. Lessons will be delivered to you by email every new moon and full moon. Each moon will include written lessons, articles, and a 2-week calendar, a planner that will have the times and dates of lunar events. You'll also receive a workbook with journal prompts and exercises. And depending on the season and the cosmic events such as meteor showers or eclipses or planetary transits, you'll find these lessons accompanied by video and audio lessons that will deepen your understanding of some of the concepts that we cover in the workbook. Now, as a bonus, I'll also be providing a digital calendar that you can integrate into your paper planner or import it into your virtual schedule like a Google Calendar to be able to more easily keep track of lunar events and upcoming course lessons and gatherings. My purpose here is to make sure that your ability to align with these rhythms and to observe patterns in your daily life can happen as easily as possible. We'll also have an open student group that will help you build community with your classmates so that you can connect with one another and share the experiences you're having individually as we are all integrating collectively the influences that the moon is bringing down to the planet. And then 4 times a year, every solstice and equinox, once every 3 months, we will gather with our classmates together via Zoom to have a live session where we can exchange questions and answers, share about our experiences, and help further build our cosmic connections with one another. We've got a lot of information about the course posted at our website, moonmedicine.org. I've included the last mini class that I offered on lunar phases and cycles at that website.
I've also posted a sample lesson from our Moon Medicine course that goes from tonight's full moon in Sagittarius to the next new moon. It includes planner pages so you can follow the course of the moon from day to day. And it also includes gardening tips, plant allies, and an upcoming celestial forecast for the next few weeks, as well as information on the lunar eclipse happening on May 26th.
This lesson is yours for free to download and enjoy. You can read it on your computer or your phone. You can print it out and write some of the journal entries down. But this lesson gives you just a glimpse of what the workbook material will include when you register for the Moon Medicine course and what you'll be receiving every new moon and full moon. Again, Moon Medicine will begin with our first live gathering on winter solstice, December 21st. And right now, our early bird discount is still available through December 5th at midnight. If you register, you'll save $100. And we've also got monthly and seasonal payment plans available to make it more accessible for you. I hope that you have a chance to get out there tonight in the early morning hours and check out the subtle shading of the moon under this penumbral lunar eclipse. And I hope that what we've been sharing in these mini lessons, if nothing else, helps enrich your life and helps encourage your connection with these amazing, magical, profound influences that are physical phenomena we can observe just by walking outside and staring up at the sky. Check out moonmedicine.org for more information. And if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us there. We'd love to answer your questions and share a little bit more about what the course will entail so you can see if it's right for you. And until next time, many blessings.